The world's longest commercial flight is operated by Singapore Airlines on its route between Singapore's Changi Airport, SIN, and New York's John F. Kennedy International Airport, JFK, covering a distance of approximately 15,349 kilometers, 9,537 miles. The flight takes around 18 to 19 hours, depending on wind conditions. It is conducted using the Airbus A350-900 ULR ultra-long range, designed for efficiency and passenger comfort on extended journeys. This non-stop flight offers a mix of premium economy and business class seating, focusing on spaciousness and amenities for long-haul travelers. The service is known for its sustainability initiatives, reduced jet lag solutions, and high-quality in-flight experiences, making it a benchmark for ultra